All right, 2018-19 certified basketball half case number 1. It is 8:59 p.m. We should be on number 2, but the way things worked out, we're doing number 1 now. So I'm going to open this fresh case and take out 6 boxes and do that. Okay, so somebody got the Warriors. Do you have Venmo, Ed? Are you already in the break? What's your eBay name? All right, so I got this fresh sealed 16 or 12 box case here. I'm going to get 6 of them out for this. The other 6 will be right here for the next one. All right. Just going to take 6 right here. 4. Boom. The other half will be waiting for us. Here. Along with all this other junk. Oh, okay. You got it. Do you have Venmo by chance? Do you have Venmo, Ed? That's my Venmo. If you don't have it, I'll type my PayPal in there and you can send goods. Anybody want to do a break of 1920 contender draft picks basketball? We can do pack breaks. So each box has 6 packs. They all have an auto in them. We could do random pack breaks for 50 bucks a spot. 6 spots is 1 box. 12 spots, we do 2 boxes, etc. 50 bucks gets you into the break, and you're guaranteed an auto for that. All right, that's my PayPal, Ed. You can go ahead and send over. As soon as I get that payment, I'll start showing these cards. Oh, I gotta do one more thing here. Let me know when you send over there, Ed. If you need an invoice, I can do that too, but let me know so I can. Easier to do it this way, get all these packs open up, and then we'll just go through all the cards here. Plus, I'm still waiting on a payment anyway. I haven't got anything yet, Ed. So let me know, because I'm ready to do this here. We're just got these last two boxes to get open. Ed, are you with us? Oh, man. All right, so certified half case number 2 will come up directly after this, and then we have the Topps Archive Signature Series. I also have some Trinity football, I think, to open for somebody. But if you're into baseball, grab some spots in this one. Ed, can you give us an update? Anybody want to do a pack break on, well, it'll be a box break, but random packs on the Contender Draft Pick Basketball? That would be fun also. 6 people per box, $50 each. Yeah, I guess. I don't know, Paul, but I'm ready to go here now. I mean, we got to get this one off and the other one, so. Yay. Let's see if Mavericks guy paid yet. He did not. For number 2. He did not reply to my message, and he did not pay yet. So it's looking like the Mavericks will be available, guys, in the second half for $73. Ed, are you with us? Ugh. Yeah, you're right. These ones are definitely have like a little arc to them. Yeah, they don't really care too much about quality control, do they? They're immaculate. All their thick cards are always banged up, corners and everything. It's crazy. All right, Ed, I wish I heard from you, man. I don't know what the heck to do. I don't know what's going on. It takes 2 seconds to make a PayPal payment, so I'm not quite sure what the holdup is. I don't have the payment, and I haven't even heard from you in chat. I don't know what to do here. uh, all right, does anybody want the I guess I got to give the guy one more chance. Let's send him an email, another message before I say that. I gave him till 9:25 on the Mavericks. Right? I don't think that's true, Matt. He's got plenty of teams in both of these. He has one team in the first break, and he's got like 5 teams in the second break. So, I mean, I think it would be pretty simple for him to just say he changed his mind in the chat. I haven't heard from him. I know he's here watching, or he's trying to pay on PayPal, but I don't understand the no communication, no payment thing. Sorry, guys. I mean, I'm not really sure what the correct play is here. All right. I don't know what to do. What do you guys want to do? Maybe I'll try sending them an invoice. This is unreal. Unreal. Oh, goodness. All right, the other guy didn't pay for the Mavericks in the second half. Does anybody want them? Mavericks in part 2 of this. That's going to be $73. Yeah, I don't either, Mike. I have no clue, man. I don't know why he can't just chat. I mean, jeez. We're just sitting here. I can't see his email address from Puerto Rico and doesn't have an email address on here. Wow, he just sent it. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. So those of you guys that are watching the video or didn't, whatever, I'm going to do a recap at the end because this video is obviously longer than it needs to be. So I'll do a recap of the hits. It'll be in the last like minute or so of the video. So anybody that's watching at this point or whatever, you can fast forward to the end if you want to see that, so you don't have to watch the whole thing. All right. Good luck, guys. Good luck. J.R. Smith out of 199. Out of 199, J.R. Smith for the Cavs. First hit. Oh, that's a nice one, too. Number to 10 for the Kings, Mitch Richmond. 7 to 10 on the auto for the Kings. That's going to WVU 2008, man. Yeah, we didn't break yet, Ed. We were waiting for you. Who just hit a bomb? Soto. Oh, man, those cards are going up every day. He is the real deal. All right, nice hit there to start us off. This one's number to 149 for the Sixers. Jersey card, Dario Saric. Saric is for the Sixers. That's going to Squib. Squib. So the second half of this break will come up right after this. I just need to sell the Mavericks. Either the guy that hasn't paid for them yet or somebody else. 70, what was it? $73, I think. Number to 299, Fred VanVleet for the Raptors. Fred VanVleet. Also, I have a Topps Archives Signature Series Retired Edition Hit Draft with only 13 left. $50 get you an autographed encased card in a hit draft format. So if you want in on that, let me know. The link's in the chat, joshbrikis.com. Robert Williams, rookie card, number to 99 for the Celtics. Here's a hit right here. Number to 99, Jersey Auto, Michael Bridges for the Phoenix Suns. Josh, 3821. Josh, 3821 with the Michael Bridges auto jersey out of 99 for the Suns. Number to 299, DeAndre Jordan for the Clippers. This is, what is that, guys? That's like a parallel gold team. I don't know. Porzingis. You guys let me know on that one if it's anything important or if it's just a parallel. This is Clint Capella, number to 49. Rockets. Number to 299 for the Lakers, Brandon Ingram. Number to 99, Rondo for the Lakers on this one. There's an auto. Old school auto again. This one's number to 199 for the Dallas Mavericks, Derek Harper. Derek Harper going to Tall Boy. Derek Harper auto is out of 199. These things are a little curved, but I guess when you get them in the top loader, it'll flatten them out a little bit, maybe. Apparently that's the norm with these, I guess. Number to 149, we got a jersey card for the Miami Heat. That's what I was wondering, Mike. I don't know. Ray Allen, jersey card for the Miami Heat. VM parts out of 149 on that one. Well, we'll find out if we get any more, I guess. But in case we don't, Siava, that's a gold team. Porzingis. This one is numbered to 299. That's DeJounte Murray for the Spurs. Number to 199, Elfrid Payton for the Suns. Nope, Pelicans. Pelicans on that one. RPA. Number 149 for the Atlanta Hawks, Kevin Huerter. Jersey auto, freshman fabric out of 149. Atlanta Hawks going to Jordan. Number to 299, the Greek Freak for the Bucks. Thank you, dude. Number to 199 for the New Jersey Nets. Signed, sealed, and delivered. Otis Birdsong auto. This one is going to the Nets. That is Seaboog. Second half of the case coming up next after this. Just need to get sold on those Mavericks. And I'm sure if there's not a Luka in the first half, they'll go quicker. Lock them in now, just in case. Even if there is, though. All right, number to 149, Enes Kanter for the Knicks. Siava on the jersey card for the Knicks. Kanter out of 149. Who wants to get in that Archives retired hit draft with us? 13 to go, guys, and we can break that, too. Tyreke Evans is out of 299 for the Pacers. Number to 199. This is the Grizzlies. Marshawn Brooks. There's a nice little auto, certified auto. That's an on-card one, although the auto is a little blurred out there. You can see it, how it's written. Marvin Bagley for the Kings. WVU with another hit for those Kings. Marvin Bagley on-card auto for the Kings. WVU 2008 man. That's another hit. Number to 99, Jay Crowder for the Jazz. And it does not look like that was a case hit. It looks like it's just an insert. Gold team, Marc Gasol. Grizzlies. Yeah, Bagley's good. Yeah, that was a nice one. Just that auto was a little off, but nice hit, though. DeMar DeRozan out of 299 for the Raptors. Number to 199, Reggie Jackson for the Pistons. Jersey card out of 149 for the Sixers. Fabric of the game, Landry Shamet. Jersey card for the Sixers, Squib. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, guys, take 1 second and hit that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. Also, add yourself to the Brikis Breaks group page on Facebook. And hit the like button on the Brikis Breaks business page as well. Number to 199, Dwight Howard for the Hornets. Number to 299, Prince for the Hawks. There is a jersey auto for the Atlanta Hawks, Omari Spellman out of 149. Spellman. Second one for the Hawks, that's Jordan. Jersey auto. Number to 99, Chris Dunn for the Bulls. And gold team, Jokic for the Nuggets. Number to 199, Chris LeVert for the Nets. Number to 299, John Wall for the Wizards. Number to 149, Robert Williams III, jersey auto for the Boston Celtics. Jordan. Boston Celtics jersey auto, Robert Williams out of 149. Number to 199, Robert Williams, rookie for the Celtics. Another old school auto, signed, sealed, and delivered. This one's numbered to 5. Rick Smits for the Pacers. Jay Gomez. Rick Smits, green auto, 3 of 5. Old school for the Indiana Pacers. Trying to get a little more focus. There it is. 3 of 5, Gomez. Number to 149, jersey card for the Utah Jazz, Rudy Gobert. Rudy Gobert, jersey card for the Jazz. That one's going to Jordan. Number to 299, rookie for the Clippers, Jerome Robinson. Number to 199, Fred VanVleet for the Raptors. Rookie roll call. All you got to do is ask there, Paul. On card, rookie auto, Wendell Carter Jr. for the Bulls, going to P.J. Olsen. See that? Ask in the chat, and it shall come. Number to 299, Julius Randle for the Pelicans. Gold team, Russell Westbrook. I don't know why I'm showing those now. Clearly, it's just an insert. Number to 99, Marc Gasol for the Grizzlies. You got it, dude. Thank you. Oh, there's a nice one, too. Certified auto on card for the Phoenix Suns, DeAndre Ayton. Josh, 3821, DeAndre Ayton, rookie auto on card for the Suns. Oh, that's a bomb. Not gone, though. Tyson Chandler out of 299. Oh, yeah, he's your second favorite, eh? Number 299, Courtney Lee for the New York Knicks. I like how there's no Panini points in this, though. Number 299, Goran Dragic for the Miami Heat. Signed, sealed, and delivered. 10 of 99, Tyus Jones for the Minnesota Timberwolves on the auto this time. Chimbo Elias. Tyus Jones, auto, number to 99 for the T-Wolves. Yeah, he is. He is a beast. Tristan Thompson for the Cavs on the jersey card out of 149. Cleveland Cavs, Chimbo Elias. Chimbo with the Tristan Thompson jersey card, number 149 for the Cavs. Quick recap coming up, guys. Oh, look at that. We're going to end this thing with a 1 of 1 for the Pacers. Bojan Bogdanovic. 101 parallel here for the Pacers. Jay Gomez. Very nice. Very nice. Sweet. And number 199, Davon Reed. All right, guys, that'll do it. There is no randoms, but I'm going to do a quick recap right here. 101, base parallel, Bogdanovic for the Pacers. 101. Tristan Thompson, jersey card out of 149 for the Cavs. Number to 99, auto for the T-Wolves, Tyus Jones. On-card auto for the Suns, DeAndre Ayton, rookie auto. On-card for the Bulls, rookie auto, Wendell Carter. For the Utah Jazz, out of 149, Rudy Gobert, jersey card. Number to 5 for the Pacers, Rick Smits, auto out of 5 for the Pacers. Boston Celtics, jersey auto, Robert Williams III, RPA out of 149, freshman fabric. Omari Spellman out of 149, jersey auto for the Hawks. Jersey card for the Sixers out of 149, Landry Shamet. On card, rookie auto for the Kings, Marvin Bagley III for the Kings. Enes Kanter out of 149 for the Knicks on the jersey card. Number to 199 for the Nets, Otis Birdsong auto. For the Hawks, Kevin Huerter out of 149, jersey auto. We thought this was a case card when he pulled it, so let's put it back with the rest of them. Ray Allen on 149, jersey card for the Miami Heat. Derek Harper on the auto for the Mavericks out of 199. Michael Bridges out of 99, jersey auto for the Phoenix Suns. Number to 149, Dario Saric for the Sixers on the jersey card. And we started it off with a nice old school one, too. I used to love Mitch Richmond. 7 of 10 for the Kings with a nice break for the Kings. Mitch Richmond on the auto. 7 of 10. That is a break, guys. We're going to get on to the second half of this thing in just a minute. I'm going to go ahead and get that video up.